Good evening, YouTube. This is TradingView.com. This is a video set up for a couple of people who were asking me a simple strategy I've been doing for a while now using the daily Heikin Ashi, the daily 21-day moving average. And so we're going to go ahead and set that up. First thing you're going to do is go to TradingView.com. You'll set up a free, or you can pay for a plan so you have more alerts and things like that. So you click there, you'd upgrade your plan. It's all right here. All right, so you're just gonna set up a an account. Then you're gonna go to charts. This is just one of many different trading plans that I've kind of played with. All right, so this is what your chart will look like. There's no indicators, nothing on this chart. Over here is your watch list. You can add stuff by going right here, clicking on the plus. It's gonna come up. So we'll put just APP. All right, and then you got app coins, Apple to Bitcoin. I mean, you're literally changing. Some of these exchanges are literally doing Bitcoin to stocks, so it's definitely going someplace. Bitcoin's not going nowhere. All right, so that's how you would do that. You'd click on that, and then it would show up over here in your watch list. All right, so first thing we're going to do, go right over here to this FX. That's your indicators and strategies. Click on that. Go to your search right here, built-ins and indicators. All right, we're not doing my scripts. Those are really in-depth. You can actually set up trading plans to run automatic. But we're just gonna do built-ins, indicators. We're gonna hit moving average. Just type in moving average. All right, then you're gonna watch for it. All right, these built-ins right here. Okay, right here's what we want, moving average. And you want 2 of them. Okay. Then the other one you're gonna do, just do it all at one time, MACD. Okay, it's a moving average convergence divergence. All right, so you're going to click on that one. That's going to put that one right here on the bottom. Okay, all right, now come over here to candles, and you're going to change candles to Heikin Ashi. All right, now what this does is, if you notice, you see like right here between December 21st, 20th to 27th. All right, see how smooth those green and red is? Watch what happens when I change this. I change this, and see it's choppier. The colors are different on the candles. So that itself is an indicator. The Heikin Ashi is an indicator. Smooths everything out. Okay, that's what we want. All right, now we're on the 4-hour chart. Now you take one of these, go to this little thing in settings. All right, we're going to change that first time frame to 21, and we're going to leave it at the chart time frame, which means when you're looking at the 21, it's going to be on the 4-hour. All right, now you come up here, click on that, the settings. Now this one we're going to put to daily. You can change the time frame of the chart within another chart. So like this is a lower time frame of the 4-hour, but I can actually see the 1 day, and that's what I want to see. And I'm going to change this to 21. And go to style, click on that. I like just using this color right here. And then you can come down here, move that up, hit style, hit that, and here's your thickness. So there you go. See, there's the 21 daily moving average. All right, we'll hit the input, we'll hit OK. All right, now what we're looking for is we're going to go to the daily, and there's your daily. All right, now this is Digibyte. This is just an example of what. So in trading, what do you want to do? You want to buy low, sell high, correct? Okay, so what we're going to do here is, let's say we started right here, January 30th. It closed a green candle, meaning buy, above the 21-day moving average, but we're still red right here down here on the MACD. See, watch this number right here. See how it changes from red to green? Watch as I move it. See, it's changing. So right here, We were still red. Boom. We closed green January 30th, 2021. All right. So we're going to hit Alt. You hit Alt and V, and that gives you a line. Okay. It gives you a vertical line. So right here, we're going to change this to green, which means buy 100%, whatever you were going to put in there. Now, that being said, I never trade everything. I always have a smaller lot that I'm trading on an exchange, and then I also have a bigger one that I hold. So let's say 80-20. So I only trade 20%, but so let's say you put $1,000 in, you would put $200 that you would trade right here, okay? And you would let it go, let it ride, let it ride. And you look at this every night. Every night you just look at it. And then, okay, you got a red one right here. All right, so that's a sell. Now, you're not going to sell everything, but let's just say, for instance, you take and hit the Alt V. It puts another line. Now you click on that line, come over here, hit red, okay? That means, sorry, I hit the wrong color. We're going to hit orange. And this orange signifies sell 10% of whatever I have. So let's say I started out with $200, and I'm just saying this bought me 200 digibyte, which would really probably be more like 2,000 because the price is, you know, 2 cents or so. It's 2.7 cents. So let's say you start out with 20,000 digibyte coins. Okay. Up here, you're going to sell 2,000 of those coins. Now remember, you bought 20,000 right here at 2.7 cents. You're going to sell 2,000 of them coins at 8 cents. So do the math and figure that out, and it's like, you know, an increase of 4 times of that 2,000. What you would have bought down here, you would have sold right here. Okay, you're going to hold on to that, and you're going to watch each day, boom, right here. Look here, it closed below the 21-day moving average. Okay, so now we're going to hit Alt V, and that would be 100%, and that would be red. Okay, then you're going to come over here and you're going to watch every 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock at night. Okay, just depends on the season with the time change and stuff like that. Now we might not start doing the time change for the US, so then we'll just we'll stick with the 7 o'clock. All right, so you come here and you're below the line, below the 21, but you would you want to buy low, sell high. So we'll put another line right here. That night we would come in, we would have looked, we would have taken this right here because you sold 100%. You bought way down here. You sold 100% of your trading lot. All right, and then you would have used 10%. So let's just say, for example, I'm not doing the math right now. You start with $2,000 here, and you sold 10%, so that's $200. And then down here you sold, and let's say you're at $2,800. Okay. Then here you would take 280 of that dollars, and you would buy 10% of this digibyte right here, because you're buying low, selling high, and you're back in the buying order, but you don't want to buy 100% because you're not above the 21 day. What you want to do is just buy little by little in case it stays down, and we'll show you that here just coming up. All right, so you got that first one right there. You would buy 10%. All right, you buy another 10% on that one. Okay, and you just leave it blue, and that signifies buying buying the 10%. Okay, and then here it crossed. You're gonna buy 100% back in. Okay, with whatever you have, whatever digibyte you have. Okay, now you're coming up. That one did not cross right here, so you would just, that's a red, it's a sell. You're only selling 10% of what your total value is right there. Okay, then you're gonna let it come. You see here, right here, it's closed another red candle, but it didn't close below, so you just hold on to what you got. Then you just come up, the value's increasing. You come here, you wait one night, you come home, whatever, you check it, you sell 10% right there. Okay, now here, if you look at the upper right hand corner, upper left hand corner right here, this gives you the values of these right here. Okay, so if you look up in the upper left hand corner right now, it says the moving average for one day is 0.633. Okay, that's the 21-day moving average value. If you look at the C, open high OHLC, C is closed. That closed at 0629. Okay, 0629 is below 0633. So we're going to sell 100% right there. Okay, we sell 100% right there. Now, sell 100% right there. And then you're going to come, you're going to buy 100% right there. Now you're going to have some choppiness in here, but that's why you just got to look at it every night. So you buy 100%. Then look here. Here's one sell, 10% sell there. All right, you sell 10% there. You sell 10% there. You sell 10% there. You sell 10% there. And you keep watching and you keep looking at it every night and you sell 10% there. All right, and then wherever it goes from green to red above the 21-day moving average, you want to buy and sell right there. Now you're going to sell. Now here today on the 10th of May, you'd take that and you would sell everything that you got. All right, because you don't know what's going to happen. But look at what happened. All of this, so in May, it came down. All right, you're going to take 10% of that value that you sold way up here at 14 cents, and you're going to take 10% of it at half of that, and you're going to buy 10%. So we'll make that blue, okay? And you would just do the same thing all the way down. So look how many times you were going to buy. Every time it changes direction and goes back the other direction. All right, that was a long downturn. But look, if you would have used all this money up here and bought 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, all right, I did a back test on this basically. And now you just keep going, okay? My time's running out on my timer for my video. But if you would have started with $3,000 right here, okay? $3,000 right here and did these trades right here constantly, just looking at every night. When you come down to right here, which is today's candle, you would have about $17,362. That's just starting with 3,000 and just buying and selling. So even though it's all the way back down to where you started, look, you're at 5 times your money. So now what's going to happen when you go back up? You're starting with 5 times your money here. Now, what if you make 5 times more your money this year? I'm not saying you're going to, I don't know, but it could happen. So anyways, if you got questions, reach out to me. Leave a comment in the video, and we'll get back to you. All right.